artist at work. A masterpiece is born, using colors from a crayon box, and only the most casual reference to the lines, the intensity amazes me. With a crayon in a tight clenched fist, emotions clearly drawn, and I've come to be quite a connoisseur of refrigerator art. The fine points to see are now clear to me in refrigerator art. Picasso's nothing compared to my own son. A prolific colorer has drawn another one. He doesn't feel the need to fill in every bit of space. Raw emotion is his style, not elegance or grace. Green might be red, the main character all head, but there always is a storyline he'll tell you if you ask. And I've learned to be quite a connoisseur of refrigerator art, and the kitchen feels like a gallery of refrigerator art. Monet's nothing compared to my own son. Unlike those painters, he's influenced by no one. God creates another soul, that soul can create. Somehow I think that's the essence of the human race.
Ha ha ha.